So I want you to be aware of Raybestos stating on their box the part is made in the USA. Now, why is Raybestos gonna have a sticker stating made in USA and then supplying you with parts made in China? Now you would think it could be a mixed box, but on their sticker you can see their part number and the part number on the package. We did try to contact them. They did not respond to us. And as you can see, same thing with the other one. So just be aware, just because the box states made in USA, it does not necessarily, and most likely the part itself won't be from a USA. Raybestos, the logo states the best in brakes. Well, what makes them think they're the best still if they're sourcing parts made from China? And most likely that is the same part that are being sourced by other brake part suppliers. So if they're sourcing the same brake parts made in China that other manufacturers are sourcing, and they're not manufacturing their own brake parts, they can no longer call themselves the best. They're just the same as the other brake suppliers. Now on the About Us page, you can see the state they have a brand history since 1902.